Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to bring this 2018 Baleno. In the front you can see that it really gets a good grille and the headlight setup is really good. So it also gets the LED fog lamps, so there is no problem in visibility, and also the lights are really powerful in the night. Coming to the side of this car, you can see that it gets the 195/55 R16, so and a really good alloy design. So there is no complaint in that, and also it has good grip. And in the side you can see that it's actually not a very tall car, so it's more like a premium hatchback, a little bit more than a hatchback. So yeah. Coming to the boot space of this car, you can see that it really gets big boot space compared to the Swift. It's really big compared to the Swift. So I'm just comparing to that. Inside you can see that it gets the alloy because the car is running on step-free right now. So closing the boot. Oh, that boot was really lightweight. And coming to the down of this car, you can see the exhaust over here and the suspensions. And coming to this side, you can see that it actually gets a smaller size Stepney tire, because obviously cost cutting. So it's 185/65 R15. That's R16. So yeah. Now going to the rear seat of this car, the thud is really not good because coming to the safety of this car, it's not a really safe car, but it's a more fuel efficient car. The space is really good. The driver seat is set according to my height, so the space is really good. It's comfortable, and the thigh support could be better. The headroom is actually a little less compared, but the adjustable headrests are there, but the headroom is really less. Now coming to the dashboard of this car, it's really beautiful. I mean, compared to its time, which is 2018, it's like before COVID, I guess. Yeah. So the dashboard design is like evergreen type, but most of the Maruti cars get the same dashboard. So yeah. Now let's go to the driver's seat and let me just drive the car for you. The car has got 1.2 naturally aspirated K12M engine, so it's before the facelift. So it has about 83 PS of power and 113 Nm of torque. So you can see that this is an instrument cluster. Most of the Maruti cars get the same instrument cluster. There's nothing much into it. It has some torque and torque and power. So yeah, all the basic things. It's a really it gives mileage because of the hardtech platform. It's like 900 kgs. That's it. So that's the reason for the fuel efficiency. Now let me rev the engine. So the rev limiter is at 5000 RPM. But the engine actually is really happy when I rev it. It's not the hesitant type. It's really happy type. And the clutch, guys, the clutch and the accelerator are like really smooth. The clutch is really smooth, to be honest. All Maruti cars have that good thing. Now, the engine bay of this car is kind of dirty, but nevertheless, you can see that it gets the 4-cylinder unit. So it's really refined and smooth. There's zero vibrations. And but the problem is, you can see over there is no protection as such. So Maruti has cut cost in many ways. So it could have given a plastic support at least, but there is nothing. But anyways, it's a very refined unit, so no complaints over there. It's a best for the city usage. So yeah, that is it for the car. The paint work is really good, to be honest. You can see it really glows. So that is it for the car. It doesn't have much features into it. I don't think so. It has traction control also. But the driver's seat comfort is really good. I mean, when I sit here, I feel I can go a long drive. So it doesn't feel like a very small car. The Swift feels like a small car. It's like a little bit congested. But this is like, it's very spacious. So that's the advantage of this car, and also it feels premium. Over here you can see that it doesn't have that kind of glazing plastic like the Swift or even the Brezza, to be honest. So you can see that the infotainment system is really beautiful, and it's a factory fit one. So according to its time, it's really beautiful. You can get a cigarette lighter and also a USB and a aux cable port. The gears are really smooth, and the handbrake. You also get a good armrest, so there is no problem in comfort. It's a really comfortable car. We can go long. It doesn't feel congested as such. So then it also has a auto dimming IRVM. So that's it. There is no more features in this car. It has a mirror and stuff. So let's get into the driving review, and let me tell you how peppy the engine really is. Okay guys, I'm driving the 2018 Baleno. I'm giving it a wheel spin check. So it revs till 5000 RPM and here we go. Oh my god! Oh my god, the wheel spin was crazy over there. So it handles the corners really good. I'm not finding a real straight path so that I can make a proper top end. But anyways, let's see if we can get any. So the first observation is that obviously it doesn't have a traction control. So the myth is actually confirmed right now. So the second part is, let me see. Yep, the suspension are soft compared to the other models. They are soft, but apparently the 2018 and the cars which came after the facelift, they had an extra torsion beam in the MacPherson suspensions, so they were a little bit more advanced and more smoother. But these have no problems in them right now. The clutch is smooth, the brakes are proper, the acceleration is proper, a proper Nexa car. And the main thing is the fit and finish doesn't feel cheap like all the other Maruti lineup. Yep, the brakes are top notch. They could have a better bite, to be honest. But yeah, you see right now, 2000 RPM. I just crossed 2000 RPM. The car kind of had a IV Tech life in it, but that doesn't stay for a long time. So it has the peppy nature of IV Tech. I'm not comparing to directly, but you see that the 2000 RPM, the moment I touch over there, 1 second. Yeah. So the moment I touch the 2000 RPM, suddenly it has a pullback. I mean, it's common in all cars, but what I'm telling is it has an extra punch over there. So see, yep, a microsecond extra pull, but you can actually feel that. You can feel that microsecond. So a rough patch. So because of this, because of this rough patch, actually I can get on the suspension are really well built. So no complaints in the suspension. Enjoy the driving review for a minute or two. Oh my god. One second. So see, there was a light wheel spin again. So what that shows that in the very low power, it has a raw power, but as we go high end, it just loses it. I mean, if you see the Baleno, the sedan Baleno which came for the rally, it had a really tall gearing ratio, and this also has a really tall gearing ratio. I think this goes in second gear. In second gear itself, it goes about 80. So that's pretty tall for a hatchback. So, but if you see that the Baleno went about 90, the sedan Baleno. So you can see the STM and the Baleno both. So you can see the gearings are still tall in this car, but the facelifted version had normal gearings. So it's a very city-friendly car. There is no tension as such, and again the wheel spin. So the low-end grunt is real. Anyways, the car overall has a good package except the safety part, and it's a bang for the buck except the safety part. Nothing else. Everything else is top notch. The fit and finish and the fit and finish and all the other accessories in this car are top notch. So yeah, if you get the 2018 and before models of the Baleno, because the new Baleno had the start-stop feature which is in the current smart hybrid cars. So if you get the 2018 and before the Balenos, go for it if you like raw power and if you want to tune your cars, because these engines over here are tune-friendly engines. So you can really tune them up properly with a cold air intake and a downpipe. It will just rock the roads. So yeah, let me just check a little bit more about the engine. So we're in inclination, no lack of torque. Yeah. The 2000, the moment we touch the 2000 mark, it has sudden kick in of power. So it's like a IV Tech, what it IVTech strategy type. But anyways, see, we are in inclination once again. I'm not pressing the accelerator, still it's able to climb. But the other Swift which I drove, the diesel Swift, it had the real grunt in it. Like the torque, it was even more raw than this. Older cars are the better cars compared to these, and the new cars are though like fully filled with electronics and yeah, so they are fully filled with electronics and all these features which don't give you the full control over the car. But this car gives you kind of some control. But the older cars, they give you like full control. It's like metal to metal, bone to bone. So anyways, I think that is it for this car. It's a really good car and it's a really good package for someone who likes raw power and low maintenance. So yeah, that's it. And it also gives good mileage. So someone who likes good mileage, good engine, long-term reliability, they can easily go for this car. That is it guys. That's it for this video. I hope you liked it. So anyways, subscribe to the channel and bye.